In a sunlit meadow, there lived a hardworking ant named Andy who tirelessly toiled each day to gather food for his colony. Andy had a vision. He dreamed of building the largest food store in the entire anthill, ensuring that no ant would go hungry during the winter months. As he gathered his fellow ants, Andy passionately shared his plan for an expansive food store that would serve as a lifeline, inspiring everyone to join in the effort. Each day, they worked tirelessly, carrying seeds, leaves, and crumbs, transforming their small colony into a thriving community dedicated to survival. As twilight descended upon the meadow, Andy led his fellow ants in a determined march, their line stretching far as they transported the fruits of their labor back home. With each passing day, their unity and dedication began to forge an unbreakable bond, solidifying their commitment to sustaining their colony.